Morning, room service. This is speaking. How may I help you?
Can I order food?
Alright, sir. Before I take your order, did you see the menu? It's located in the right side in the bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay. May I have your name and room number, please?
Look at room 55.
Thank you for that information, Mr. Luke, at room 55. May I get your order, please?
One croissant served with butter and one orange juice.
May I suggest to you fresh fruit?
No thanks.
Is there anything else that you will like to add?
No.
May I repeat your order? Continental breakfast is one orange juice, one croissant, served with butter. Did I get your order correct?
Yes.
Please be advised that your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. The total amount of your bill is for 50 pesos. Would you prefer to pay it cash or change it to your room?
Pay it cash.
Is there anything that I can help you?
No.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Good day. I'm Brismark, your food service attendant for today. Are you look at room 55?
Yes.
Would you like to put the tray in your table for you?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your croissant served with butter. And your orange juice. Enjoy your meal. Excuse me, sir. Would you like to open television for you?
No.
How about the temperature in your air condition?
Yes.
Would you like to open curtain for you?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. I would like to present to you your bill. Your bill is 450 pesos. I received exact amount. Thank you. Have a nice day.